In-order ko lang to last night and ngayong umaga, 10:44 ng umaga, deliver na nila.
Mommy.
Let's do unboxing. If you remember last time, may in-order sa Abhi sa akin na sapatos. And yung pangalawang order niya, akala ko okay na yun. Pero later on, sa kakatingin namin, later on, sa kakatingin namin, hindi din siya maganda. Parang yung material ata niya, hindi talaga siya yung pang matagalan. I-return din namin yun. Umorder na lang ako sa Amazon ulit ng ibang style. Ang kasama na yung aking ibang in-order. So I have ordered face serum. Actually bago to, itatry ko to.
And this
And then,
is some baby serum.
anti-hair fall na hair serum.
This is also for me.
Kasi grabe yung hair fall ko ngayon.
This is for me.
And this is the shoes. Let's see if maganda ba. Maganda kasi yung review nito for party wear ba. Nice. Look at this. Let me see, baby. So this is rose gold. Meron ding golden and silver. Yun. Para to sa kasal na atin na namin sa Goa. This size 4. Huh? Size 41.
Is it thinning?
No, it's big. I ordered size 4. Give me, babe. I have ordered size 4. Yung binigay nila is 41. Again, I have to return kasi size 41. Kasi yung nakalagay is UK size 4. Eh, size 4 ako. Merong dumaan dito na nagtitinda ng carpet. And since winter na guys, malamig na yung sahig. So, meron kaming nilagay doon na binigay ni Mami. Pero parang matte lang siya. So, andito ngayon tinawag ni Abhi yung nagtitinda ng carpet.
ठीक है इसी साइज का 4x5 बोल रहे थे ना तो वही 5x7 हुए तो फिर ये आपको 6x8 हो जाएगा अच्छा क्वालिटी के लेगा कि ऐसे ही नॉर्मल ये डबल साइज हो गया आपका 6x8 होता है
Another style.
कलर भी बहुत सारा इसका लाल कलर भी मिलेगा
This one ba ya? This light brown.
ये सिल्क है
Ito yung ginagamit namin na mat. Bigayan ni Mami. Itatry namin kung bagay ba siya sa aming sofa. I think this size is good. Yeah. This size only. Maganda yung design nito.
थोड़ा पैर रख के दीजिए देखिए
This is nice.
कोई सा
Ito na yung kinuha namin. Itatry ko muna. Maganda ba? Okay naman.
नहीं पुराना है अच्छा I'm having big, you have small.
She got good marks and sabi ng teacher, bigyan siya ng treat today. Unfortunately, yung anak namin ayaw nang sumama sa amin. Gusto niyang idaan siya sa bahay kasi gusto niya kay Daddy G. This is the cafe, Imperial Cafe. Actually, there's another good cafe. Malapit lang dito. Diyan na side yung pinuntahan nila ni Abhi last time. Pero this time, dito daw sila gustong mag-hangout. Still waiting. Actually, yung dalawang kaibigan, sila yung malapit dito. Pero sila pa yung huli na dumating kaysa sa amin. Kasi kami, meron pa kami mga dinaanan. May binili kami and nagpapalit sabi ng strap ng kanyang relo. Nauna na kami sa kanila guys. Gusto ko nang umupo. Nakakapagod maghintay dun sa labas. Ayan. Here's our order. Dito na yung bagong kasal. That's yours, Daddy? Here's my drink, lime soda, and
American.
crispy corn. This is chicken lollipop.
Drumstick, huh?
Lamig na. So they are planning to have tea after eating from this cafe, but I'm also planning to buy shoes kasi nga yung i-return ko na shoes yung in-unbox ko kanina. So maybe I can find shoes somewhere on the way.
And it is feeling cold.
It's cold po. Oh my gosh. It's just 5 in the evening. Lamig na. First stop dito sa Trends Footwear. I'm getting this shoes. But this is size 37. I'm getting the 38 actually. Jeans I can wear.
Yeah, you can wear it for denim also. Yeah.
Pa 50% yung kanilang Crocs. Kaya lang limited lang yung choices. Si Harsh and Abhi naka-same white shirt and jeans. Tapos minsan pag nakatalikod silang dalawa, nakukonfuse ako kung saan sa Abhi account. They have promo, buy to get one. Kaya nagbabargain pa sila.
ग्रीन टैग वाला चाहिए
छोड़ो कोई तुम अपना स्केचर खरीद दो बाकी बात
Silang dalawa.
थैंक यू भाई जुतवा दे दो ये वाला है ना
Love Thai. This is second cup of tea already. We have different sizes of cups. 10, 20, 30, 40. Magkakaibang design din yan. Yung kanilang play cups. And different sizes. Hogya. Before kami dumiretso sa bahay guys, kailangan namin bumili ng pasalubong para kay Mishka. Sabi niya donut. We got her pasalubong, donuts, and some cheese balls para sa kanilang tatlo. Anak namin naghihintay na sa amin. Pasalubong namin sa kanya, treat niya to kasi she did well sa school niya. And sabi ng kanyang teacher, treat her. Daddy G is feeding you.
चीज one for me and one for Ale bhai
Ako lang yung may plano kanina na bumili ng sapatos. Buti na lang, naghanap-hanap din yung asawa ni Harsh, and then si Harsh bumili din ng para sa kanya. And then sabi sa cashier, magdagdag ng isa so that merong discount. And buti na lang, sabay-sabay kaming bumili ng sapatos. 4 kami, sabi na pabili din para umabot kami sa amount na kailangan para makakuha ng discount. So, ito yung binili ko. Yan yung design niya. Ang ganda nito. Actually, hindi talaga siya pang party wear. Kasi dito yung pang party wear nila. Merong mga sparkles. Yung maraming glitters. Okay. Maraming glitters. Pero ito, casual lang siya. Kasi sabi ko, pwede naman siyang pang party wear. And then, magagamit ko din siya on a casual basis. Kasi pag pang party wear yung bibilhin ko guys, like yung kanina, asa na yun? Doon, na i-return ko. Pang party lang talaga siya. Hindi ko na siya magagamit. Like for casual.
I will make my own new shoes.
You'll make your own new shoes. But we got you new shoes last time na. Then, ito yung kay Abhi na binili. Napabili siya para umabot kami dun sa amount na required para meron tayong discount. So, itong shoes na to, yung MRP is 2,299. And yung akin naman is 1,999. So, 2,000 rupees. Kulang na lang ng 1 rupee. Compute namin lahat. Tas deduct yung discount. Yung price lang na babayaran namin is 2,500. Ano? 2,300 something lang. So, dalawang shoes na. Ang laki talaga ng discount namin dahil 4 kami yung bumili. Kung ako lang yung bumili kanina, na isa lang na pair ng sapatos yung binili ko, this will cost me 2,000 rupees. And dahil 4 yung binili namin, for 2,300, diba? So, parang bonus na lang itong kay Abhi na sapatos, 300 or 300 plus. Maganda din na mag-shopping kasama yung mga kaibigan. Dahil kami lang ni Daddy yung nakabili ng shoes today, si Mishka gumawa na lang siya ng kanyang shoes. So, she cut this paper. How did you trace this, Mimi? Gumamit siya ng tsinelas. Trinase, ginawa niyang ganyan. Tinrace niya. And ginupit din niya. Tapos kumuha siya ng tape. Now, she got new shoes. Good job, my love. Good job, princess. Let me see your shoes. New shoes. Good. Very good, my baby. Now, you have to make another one. Okay. That's how you're making your shoes. Good job, my love. Ang bright talaga mag-isip nitong batang ito. Okay, next. Meron ding design. Nice, Mimi. You know, Mommy and Daddy got shoes because last time we bought already shoes for you. You remember? Yes? Now we are complete. You got new shoes. Then now, Mommy and Daddy got new shoes too.
But you didn't.
Huh?
You didn't.
You didn't what?
Buy me new shoes.
We bought you new shoes last time. The blue one.
You say two.
Two? No. We are only buying one shoes. Good job, my love. Once the shoes doesn't fit you anymore, then we'll have to buy new shoes for you next time, okay?
Okay.
Good job, my love. Good job. Okay. We got new shoes too. Nice, Mishi. Nice.